Hello guys, look at this my Bodlia purple flowers. This is updated only because I already taking some video about a month ago and it wasn't blooming properly, and this time seems to me like it's blooming nicely, so I'm gonna take another more video again. I love this kind of color, guys. I think this is really beautiful. I don't plant this, it's just growing. It just come out into the corner of my garden. And it's really looking beautiful. I think it's growing every year, this kind of plants, as I noticed that. Because it started this kind of plants, very, very tiny seed. Very, very tiny. And now, look at this. It's getting huge and big. It's gonna be all over into my garden. It's all over into the place of my garden again. But I don't mind. I could control this through by trimming before winter. That's what I'm thinking. So I might have to start trimming this before winter coming. Maybe just give another couple of months or 3 months later. I think because after 3 months it's gonna be winter time anyway, so I just start trimming to it in order to control them, not to getting much bigger and bigger, because this kind of plants, they goes getting big and huge if you let them go. Because I've seen this kind of flowers plants into the other people garden, and it's really getting bigger and bigger. Anyway, pretty nice having it, but I gotta go back inside again. But I love this kind of color of these plants that I had here. I think this is very pretty. Yeah, very, very pretty. Anyway, I'm glad that I've been done it now by taking some very quick short video. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. Bye. You can see the wind is getting heavy. Bye. Bye.